people. So I just want to say this, yeah, that no, it might seem that my videos are just so short and all, but the fact that these videos are short is in fact the USP of the channel. I mean, I really feel that at some level people are watching my channel because they're short. I mean, if it was the same content stretched over like whatever 10 minutes, 20 minutes or something like that, like a regular vlog, I don't think too many people would tune in. So anyway, so people, this book is I mean, it's called The Gift of Pain by Dr. Paul Brand and Philip Yancey. I mean, the title was such that for a long like this book is apparently it's won the gold medallion book award, and you just need to read it to know why. I mean, I've never seen a book that is so well written. At the same time, it's all about medical procedures and things like that. So it was written in the early 1990s. So and now it is the early 2021. So it's literally, I'm reading this book 30 years later. But yeah, but it is, I can't recommend this book enough. It's called The Gift of Pain. It's all about, it begins with the fact that this apparently there was a tiny 4-year-old who had no sensation of pain, such that in her free time the 4-year-old would bite her own fingers, and then with the blood streaks would make graffiti, and her parents, like, her mom was the only one who wanted to who stood by her, but her dad could not handle this level of he would call her a monster, and he would keep insisting that she be institutionalized, the 4-year-old child. And since that didn't happen, the father finally left them and went, deserted the mother and the little child. And then later, years later, the child literally had to be put in a institution because she had no conception of pain whatsoever, so due to which she would do these very bizarre things, so to elicit a certain reaction from people. Like there was this Hindi movie made, Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota or whatever, by starring uh, Abhimanyu Dasani, Bhageshri, the actress's son. So, but really, people, so you read this book, The Gift of Pain, and it will change the way you see the world, because apparently even the only section of society that actively does not feel pain are lepers. Leprosy, that disease numbs your senses such that your hand or fingers can fall off and you will not register it. So that's why this doctor who worked with the leprosy patients in India felt that pain is such a, I don't know, beautiful emotion that most people don't realize how precious it is. So really, people, just go and grab this book. It's on Amazon. It's a little expensive, I think $1,000 or something like that. But it's called The Gift of Pain, and it will change the world you see. It will change the way you see the world. See, this is a 3-minute video. I should not make such long videos, but certain books require that. And I'm often told that, what is this, your reviews are so short. They are like, before you know it, they're over. Before they begin, they are gone, they're over. But it's because I want to just speak about the important points, and that's what, when I speak about the important points, it becomes 3 minutes 30-second video, so which I cannot afford to do. So I'll catch you all in my next video sometime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.